Secure system design is based on two differing philosophies, being open and closed systems. So, what are the differences between the two? And how do we ensure security is built into the design process? Well, firstly, security should be a consideration at every stage of a system's development. In fact, it's extremely important to consider security implications at the early stages of a build project, as it's much easier to build security into a system during development than it is to add security to an existing system. Now, let's discuss open systems. Open systems are designed using agreed upon industry standards, meaning they are much easier to integrate with systems from different manufacturers that support the same standards or protocols or that use compatible application programming interfaces (APIs). An API is a defined set of interactions allowed between computing elements, such as applications, servers, networking, firmware, and hardware. Without APIs, computing components would be unable to directly interact and information share. You can think of APIs as a bridge which allows connectivity between point A and point B system. Please check out my separate video on APIs for more technical information. So, open systems are generally far easier to integrate with other open systems. For example, to create a local area network consisting of different hardware architectures, such as a Windows, Linux, and Apple Macintosh servers. An open system using open APIs would make it easy for all these three elements and others to interconnect. Another similar concept to be aware of is open source in relation to the system software, where the source code and other internal logic is exposed to the public in an open source solution. Whereas a closed source solution is one where the source code and other internal logic is hidden from the public. Which leads us on to our second build philosophy, known as closed systems. Closed systems are harder to integrate with unlike systems, but this feature could make them more secure than open systems. Closed systems are also known as proprietary systems, meaning their internal logic and code are hidden from the public. Now, another important build security concept. In the event of a system failure or breach, aka hack, a system can be designed to act in one of two ways. It can either fail securely, aka fail closed, which is the most desired result, usually achieved through programmatic error handling, aka exception handling, a process where a programmer codes in mechanisms to anticipate and defend against errors in order to avoid the termination of the execution of a program or system. The alternative approach is to fail open, aka fail safe, meaning when a program or system fails, the connection or communication is allowed to continue to execute. And finally, an important technical keynote for the exam. Always consider the context, whether virtual or physical, when referring to these approaches. For example, a fail safe, aka fail open, in the physical world may be more important to protect human life, such as an exit door opening, whereas in the digital world, a fail secure, aka closed, may be more appropriate to stop malware from spreading across the systems. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content. You can find many more videos like this on my channel, and if you like and subscribe, you will be notified each time a new video is released.